This isn't something I can feel the headache coming, and you ain't saying nothing. No, nothing, at least nothing new. You can touch me all you wanna. I ain't gonna try to stop you, but before you tell your parents,
Hi. So I have this entire cafe to myself. I'm going to remove this mask and film the video before anyone comes. So let me just show you around. This is a letter cafe. There's no one here. So this wall here is where you can see all the letters. The red thing is the stamps. We'll also do it. What is the cool concept is you get 2 postcards, 1 envelope, 1 sealing, and then you can post it to your address anywhere, even in abroad. Just put it on the date on which you would like to have the letter received to you on your address. I think next year, that I'll have to check. And then let me just show you the decor around. And there's more letters here. Here everything is in Korean, but even if you don't know Korean, they have stuff in English. Here, and you can pick 2 postcards here, and you get an envelope and a sealing, and it gets posted. Then there's some macarons. And here's where you do the sealing thing. Hi, it's weird but different, really nice experience to write a letter to myself. So let's just try it. hello everybody. So we just came out of the cafe. It was a wonderful experience. It's a great idea. Like you can even do it yourself. It's just the wax thing, make it more fancy, and then receiving it on the day you choose is like a little exciting. And yeah, it's a great idea, great feeling. And I came early so that I have the cafe to myself and I can shoot a video. And yeah, now we are in a neighborhood called Hebangchon, which is near Itaewon. And it looks like a very quaint, nice, actual neighborhood जैसा K-dramas में दिखता है. So let me just show you around.
This isn't something I can feel the headache coming, and you ain't saying nothing, no, nothing, at least nothing new. You can touch me all you wanna, I ain't gonna try to stop you, but before you tell
I'm just trying to see कि कहाँ पे lunch कर सकते हैं. And today, thankfully, kam barish hai. Otherwise, it has been raining crazily here. Just trying to find a nice restaurant for lunch. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back. वहाँ पर दुनिया भर की कैफेज थे, but एक भी कोरियन रेस्टोरेंट नहीं था. I wanted to eat Korean meal. तो कुछ भी मिला नहीं है. तो मैं वापस आ गई हूँ. And I'm thinking of making ramyun. I'm thinking of making chapaguri, so parasite with me. So CVS से chapageti और chapaguri लेनी है. And then मैंने कभी नहीं बनाया है, but let's try to make it and have lunch at home. Guys, so we'll have lunch at home and we are making chapaguri, chapageti and naguri, which is ramdon, which is very famous from Parasite. Again, we're just going to put the flakes of these two ramen. Just the flakes, not the powder, like not the taste maker, but just the flakes. And if you're not sure what meat it is, like I'm not sure what meat it is, तो मैं meat के pieces हटा देती हूँ. And then just let it boil. And then before draining, just take 2 scoops of water. ये बाद में पकाने के काम आएगा. Outside. Like take some more, जितना आपको लगता है कि बाद में काम आएगा पकाने कमाने. Finally, lunch. Chapaguri and pani. Let me taste. I don't think you will like it. Definitely better than chapageti जो मैंने खाली सिर्फ chapageti बनाई थी last week, which looked very much very brown. I posted on my Instagram. उससे तो बहुत अच्छी है, but I think simple ramyeon is much better. Anyway, so let's talk about the video in the cafe today. बहुत अच्छी जगह थी Habangchon. Very much like जो छोटी छोटी गलियाँ के ड्रामास में दिखती है. Was the area was very steep slopes. एकदम पहाड़ पे था. Pretty much like any hill station in India. छोटे छोटे घर थे, बहुत ज़्यादा सीढ़ियों से ऊपर जाके, just like Shimla, Uttarakhand and all of that. And then there were very many nice studios there. एक स्टूडियो में मैं गई थी, वहाँ से मैं ये लेके आई हूँ. Let me just show you. One is for Chirayu who prefers slow weekend morning, and one is for me. I like fresh salad, तो ये उसके लिए है. It was a very pretty, nice bookstore. No, not bookstore, but a nice like a design studio. But the dog was not friendly there. I'm very scared of dogs. तो मैं जल्दी आ गई. Otherwise, I would have spent a little more time there. Yeah, and overall the experience was nice. I mean, खुद को letter लिखना like it's just like writing diary and reflective writing, right? जब आप रोज सुबह उठ के डायरी लिखते हो तो I do that. I like doing that, but the anticipation of getting a letter is more exciting, right? It's more fun. About the cost, it costed about like 3 won, so 3,000 won, sorry, 3,000 won, which is about $2.5. इसमें 2 पोस्ट कार्ड्स, एक envelope, the wax seal which I showed in the video, and 1,000 won, $1 for posting it to abroad. But the problem is कि मैं इतनी ज़्यादा absent minded थी वहाँ पे that I forgot to write my name and my phone number. I just like wrote the full address, but मुझे realize हुआ कि इंडिया में हमेशा like call करते हैं because the house numbers and the lane numbers are not very structured, right? So just hope कि पहुँच जाए, and yeah, it was nice. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, like, share, follow me on Instagram.